Okay, folks, we got this nice Oster kitchen center up for sale here on eBay today. And it's one of the push-button models. You can see the number and everything on the online. Whoops, just kicked the tripod a little bit there. Sorry for the thrill. But you know me, I like to demonstrate that these work. Look at that spin in there, nice and clean and smooth. Sounds good all the way up, all the way down. High, low, let's see, pulse. Everything works on it just like it should. And I will pause right now and hook up the mixer so you can see it go too. Okay, folks, are you ready? I know this is going to be a big thrill. And of course, I kicked the tripod twice. There you go. There it's going. It's got that nice stainless steel bowl. This is a real humdinger. I know you're going to love it. It's a great setup with the mixer carafe and the steel bowl. It's going to really complement the rest of your kitchen center stuff.